So this is the new place. This is the new spot. I'm sitting outside right now. As you see, as you see right there, it's 6:58 p.m. 6:58 p.m. I'm talking to my asawa, but I was showing the time because it's 6:58 and it's really dark. Well, not really dark, but it's dark outside, and you know, with the camera being good on the low light, I managed to here's the pool, but they don't have the pool ready. With the camera being good for the low light, oh my god, this is amazing. I'm sitting down right here in this little rocking I guess you could say chair. Oh, look at the flowers. It gets darker when I zoom because of the ISO. Yeah, it looks beautiful right here with this video quality right here.